In 2018, a team of geneticists at Harvard, Oxford, and the Max Planck Institute did something nobody had ever attempted at this scale. They pulled DNA samples from over 200,000 people across every populated continent on Earth. Africans, Europeans, East Asians, Native Americans, Pacific Islanders, Aboriginal Australians, every major population group humanity has. The goal was simple: map how each race evolved, how long it took, and what genetic pressures shaped them. The team expected to find a clean, predictable pattern. Africans were the oldest population, so their DNA should be the most diverse. Europeans branched off around 40,000 years ago, so they should sit in the middle. East Asians split later, so they should show the youngest mutations. That was the theory every textbook taught. However, when the results came back, the entire team went silent. Because the data did not match the textbooks. It did not match any of the previous models. And one population in particular returned numbers that nobody could explain. Numbers that suggested something happened in their genetic history that should not have been possible. Before we get into what they found, hit that subscribe button if you want more breakdowns like this one. We dig into the stories that mainstream science quietly avoids talking about, and your support is the only reason we can keep making them. Now let's get into it. To understand why this study shocked everyone, you need to understand what scientists thought they knew about human evolution before 2018. The standard model worked like this. Around 300,000 years ago, the first anatomically modern humans appeared in East Africa. For the next 240,000 years, they stayed there. They hunted, they migrated within the continent, and they slowly developed the cognitive abilities we associate with modern humans. Then, roughly 60,000 to 70,000 years ago, a small group left Africa. Estimates suggest this founding population was tiny. Some researchers put the number at just a few thousand individuals. This group crossed into the Middle East, and from there, they fanned out across the planet. One branch went west into Europe. Another went east across Asia. A third eventually crossed the land bridge into the Americas. And a fourth pushed south through Southeast Asia and into Australia. Every non-African person alive today descends from that small founding group. That much the genetic evidence makes clear. But here is where things get strange. According to the standard timeline, East Asians and Europeans